I got this grass looking nice for you. Now come here. What's the matter? What's the matter? Come on. Hey guys, Max here from Lawn Hub. We are back at Duffy's for a quick update. It's going to be a short video today. We're just going to clean up the edges. We're going to use the rotary scissors that Clint has just purchased and done a review on. Make sure you check out his video there. We're going to do the edges, give it a mow and just give it a tidy up. It's looking really, really good. Doesn't need any fertilizer at the moment. We don't want to overload it. It's had money shot in 3-way 2 weeks ago and it's looking really good and lush. So yeah, we're just going to give it a trim, get it looking nice for Duffy, and we'll keep the watering program going through this nice warm autumn we're getting. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So I've just used the old rotary scissors here as a bit of a scarifier. We've been having problems with that patch. The corer can't quite get that close to the edge. So we never really had any relief there with the corer. So I've just scarified that, a bush scarifying. So we'll see how that comes back, see if we get any runners moving through there now. All right, so those edges that we just did then, they were pretty overgrown. I haven't whippersnipped them or edged them for at least 3 weeks. So that rotary scissor tool, I wasn't sure about the tilting action. It's done a pretty good job. I could probably afford to do it again, but for the shortness of this video, I'll come back another day and do those ones. We'll give this a, yeah, that's right, we're back tomorrow. No, we'll give it a quick mow now, clean up the edges, finish it off, give it another blow and we'll get out of here. Alright guys, we're done here at Duffy's for another day. Lawn's looking really good. It's got the great colour. It's growing really rapidly. All 3 types of grass are growing really well. We'll call it the mongrel, I think, for obvious reasons. So the rotary scissor edging looks really, really good. It needs 2 goes after you leave it for too long. And we haven't taken a heap of grass off in the mowing. We don't want to break the 1/3 rule. We might have gone just a little bit further than normal, but no, it looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it, happy with its progress. I hope you guys are all following the progress of Duffy's lawn. We may skip the premature application this year. I think we've put enough nitrogen into it this year, and we'll be back to do some major spring renovation work with coring, scarifying, and we might even get some sneaky stripes on this in a couple of weeks' time. So keep watching our videos, subscribe to the channel, keep pumping us on the socials. We're enjoying it. Any ideas you've got for content, flick them through. Email, DM, whatever you want. We'll try and make some more content that people want to see. Cheers guys.